Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the Genie services on the Walt Disney World app. The first thing you are going to do is you're going to click that plus sign on the bottom of your screen and click View My Genie Day and Tip Board. From here, your tip board is going to populate. Then you can choose whichever park you are looking to go to that day, and as you can see, all of the attractions will pop up and you can see the standby and you can see the Genie Plus return time. For an attraction such as Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger Spin, you can see that Genie Plus is no longer being offered for that day, which means that it is probably sold out. As you can see, this video was taken at about 7 o'clock, so that means that this one is just sold out for the day. If you see something like the Dapper Dans and says next show not available, that's because it already happened earlier in the day or it was just not being offered that day. If you scroll down and you see an attraction such as the Many Adventures of Winnie the Pooh and it says temporarily closed, this means that this ride is currently down. This is a nice feature because you don't have to walk across the park to see if the ride is down. You can just see on the app. So as you can see, they have this feature available for every single park. So you can see Epcot, Hollywood Studios, and Animal Kingdom.